Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to show you how to make these delicious fluffy pancakes without using buttermilk. I don't even know where you guys are getting buttermilk from. First I start out with my flour. I have 135 grams of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 1 heaped teaspoon of baking powder, followed by a pinch of salt. Then I add 125 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 egg. I have 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, but this is optional. So then give this all a really good mix until it's smooth. So this is the most important part, believe it or not. So when you're greasing your pan with the butter, I actually wipe off all of the excess. You don't want to see any butter or grease at all. If it's too greased, then your pancake will have this really funny looking color. It will be super light with these like brown lines, and this isn't really what you're going for, like aesthetic wise. You want them to look perfect, so you want to wipe all of that excess of oil, butter, whatever it is you're using. I use 1 teaspoon of butter. Once you see the bubbles forming, then you can flip the pancake over. If you're not sure on how to tell if you can flip it or not, just lift up the pancake gently just to see what color it is underneath, and then you can flip it over. I'm only explaining to you guys about the butter for aesthetic reasons, like the way it looks when you've got too much oil in the pan. Still tastes pretty good, but this is the best way to do it. I know that some people even spritz the oil, you know, the calorie one instead, so that they're not using too much oil, because we're not trying to make like a fried bread. It's a pancake and we want it to be as fluffy as possible. And this is the complete recipe. So I repeated this 3 times and made 3 medium-sized pancakes. I like my pancakes pretty big, and I added on some butter and golden syrup. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. If you are vegan, I have a delicious recipe coming up for you guys too, so stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.